that? Bead?
Like a bracelet.
Hey, I already have one for bracelet.
Okay.
Daddy, Grandma bought me a prize, remember?
No, Daisy.
Can I do one now?
Okay, go.
You don't want that.
Hey,
Ooh, wow.
it's like sleeping.
It is. Very nice.
Goodness gracious.
Okay, go, Gils. Very cool.
My turn.
Yeah. That's from, what does it say? From who?
Liliana.
From Nairi.
Oh. Yay!
Oh, Daisy wants something to open. Say good morning, Daisy.
Don't look at the page.
Wow.
The face is creepy. Can I go next? The face is so creepy.
It's a Cabbage Patch Kid.
Now can I go? Pikachu.
Wow, who's that from? What does the card say? Oh, very cool.
Yay! Your turn.
Okay, Gils.
My turn. I want to break some.
Well, oh, just it's present. How about that one? The red one. Yeah.
Rip it open.
Is there a card or anything? Whoa.
Yay!
What is it? Let me see. All right, My Little Pony.
Yeah, and I get to make her have some
Sweet.
or maybe that's a cake. A cake. Can I do that? A cake. No, that's a my friend.
Who?
Brandon. The
From
one
Brandon?
with the gray shirt that came.
Okay.
And the hair that was like,
You have fun sometimes?
yeah.
You guys have a good party?
I love your
Yeah. Maybe a shirt.
Woo.
he has to
Oh, that's
go.
nice.
Maybe he has to go one.
Very nice.
Brandon. She's like, she's like, Mom, my turn? My turn now?
Yeah.
What is it? Let me. Okay. One letter. First we say the letter.
From Mackenzie.
Thank you, my God! Now, where's my present? Hey, when are we close? I can tell. You want to fun? It is. Maybe it could be a movie. Of course. Now can I go? Of course.
Open it up.
My Little Pony.
No, you can go put it over there, trash.
My Little Pony.
Whoa, nice.
Mom, Kristen said My Little Pony in a mean way.
No, it's fine.
Hey, now can I go?
Popping tags. Woo!
Hey, now can I go? Wait.
And no, don't pull that. Let me see. Open it up. What is it?
Yay. Oh, yeah, Robin.
All right, some jeggings.
I'm gonna wear two together someday.
Yeah, of course. When
Yeah,
it's
oh.
Now can I
winter
go?
time, yes. Very cute.
Wait, there's
Who's that from?
one
Okay, it's okay.
more.
All right.
I said,
No.
wait, there's one more.
No, it doesn't say anything.
Which, did you get some different one, Ninja Turtle?
Yeah.
Nice. They're not old,
Oh, that I don't know.
There's one more.
What is it? Oh, some necklaces? Very cute, Mama. What is it? Best friend thing? Aw, it's for your best
Look
friend.
at Daisy.
Oh, good morning.
Now can I go?
Hi, homie.
Is Lily already doing it? Okay. Now let Kristen go.
Do you like Ninja Turtles?
Yeah.
All right.
There you go.
Okay, go, Gil.
You want to get all four?
One second. Imagine if I gave them, they can do. Imagine if I gave them.
Well, that's cool.
That'd be cool, dude.
I think it's just decoration, but that's awesome. Hey, we're gonna save that.
I'm going to see
Okay.
Donatello, which is the orange one. Baby.
Whoa.
Clothes. Want me to
What
do
is
the
it?
toys?
Yeah, open the clothes. What is it? A shirt? A dress?
No. It is a dress.
Oh. Oh, that's cute.
Bird.
No, it's a dress. Wow,
It's
pretty.
a summer dress.
Very nice.
Look at this. And now the toys.
And let's see, what is it? A
I could
Barbie.
change the tail.
All right.
Pretty.
Very pretty.
I'll go to smaller first. Wait, there's one more.
Oh, 2 Barbies.
Oh, wait, there's one more.
3 Barbies. What?
Guys, more?
No. Oh, there is.
Oh, David.
Wow.
Barbie.
Who's that from? Let me see the tag.
Hey, I'm opening mine.
From, oh, Grandpa and Grandma Swanee.
I'm opening mine.
Oh. Woo.
I told them I like Barbie.
Abercrombie. Wow, Papa.
Daddy, I told them I like Barbies.
Who's that from, Chris?
Let me see. It's from Ryan.
Wow, Ryan. Got style.
Thank you, Grandma Swanee. Thank you, Grandpa.
Dang.
Grandpa.
Woo. Grandpa. What?
There you go. My turn.
Grandpa?
Let's see who's
Open the
this
little
one.
card. The little
Let's
card.
see who's this one. A little backpack. The tag.
Who's that from? No, it should be in the back. Jabba.
There's no bag.
No tag? Okay. Oh, let me see. Sophia the first.
I'll let Daisy have this one because I already have a backpack. I don't.
You can have
For
it.
your makeup or your
Daisy.
No, it's for you. Lily.
Daisy can wear it sometimes when she wants to be.
That's yours. That's your present.
No, it's mine, and I want to share it with Daisy.
Homie.
Okay, go,
See,
Papa.
She likes it. See, she already wants it. See, Mom. She already wants it.
Oh, look at you put it on your little arm.
Aw.
Ooh, hockey kings.
Nice, Papa.
My turn.
Yeah, hockey.
No, there's still more.
Who's that from? Who? Oh, good morning. Who's this from? Oh, snap.
Wait, did Kristen open two?
Whoa.
Wow.
Cool, Papa.
Mommy, did Kristen open two
No,
presents?
no. Very cool.
Now,
That's
you
from
go.
Grandpa?
Mommy.
Grandma Swanee?
Mommy, should I open this one? Ooh.
Wow, crafting stuff.
Go! This is exactly what you have.
Nice. You can create things.
Ooh, one more.
Window art. Wow, Mama, you get to do lots of decorations and
One more.
one more.
It's a letter.
Oh, your card.
To Lily. I guess you know my name.
From, of course they know your name. Birthday girl.
I don't say who it's from. Well, that's Daddy. And she knows who it's from.
Good, man.
Kristen.
Oh, Christian. Nice. All
And
right.
Gonzalez.
Nice.
Thank you, Kristen Gonzalez. Wait, there's one more. This kid.
This is Sophia. You like that backpack, huh? Yeah.
Let me see if this one is. And it's for me. I knew it there was gonna be some Alvin Helen.
Is it? Wow. Radio control car. What the heck?
Oh, for GT, dude.
That's the kind you like with the stripes. Huh, the racing stripes, right?
Should I go try
Is
it
there
out?
fish still in there?
A what? Oh, no touching. No,
I
she's
can't wait to do mine.
What do you think, Chris?
I like it.
Sweet.
Hey, I got it.
No, hey, Daisy, no touching.
No touch it. Open.
Okay, go, Gills. Lily, go.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Who's that from? Ooh, Barbie. Very cute.
Mommy, I'm not from Tiffany.
From Tiffany. Sweet.
There you go.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Hey, cousin.
Aw, Mom, wait, 40 bucks. Barbie
Oh,
cool. 40 bucks.
cool.
What? $40.
Happy birthday, baby. I love you and hope you have a fun time.
Have fun today.
Good luck, run in the family. Happy birthday, Gabby.
That would be better.
40 bucks.
Right. What are you going to buy? You could buy whatever you want.
But DS things.
You could buy whatever you want. Whatever you want.
I like it.
Put your money all together, Papa. For the-
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the
It's
trash.
Mom, I got
what?
What the?
Who's that from?
That would be a
Oops.
more present.
Oh, yeah.
Yamashiros. That's cute.
I wish they had a volume. My turn. Happy
Oh.
8th birthday, Christian. To
From the Yamashiro family. That's
That's Sean's mom and dad.
Hey.
And Sean. Wow.
I like this one. Okay. Baby
Who's
loves
that
my,
from, Mama?
I
Let's
said.
see.
Mom, did you take my money?
It's close around the chair. From
Hi.
Diego.
Diego.
Yeah.
Aw, Mom, look at Daisy.
You have the camera on yourself.
There's
How
money.
are you going to see the camera?
Mommy, I have like a lot of money, like Aw.
More money?
Jacob and Jeremy.
Woo!
They gave me a lot of money. Jacob and Jeremy. And here's some. Here comes some fun.
25 from the Yamashiro,
Oh, this is so cool.
Awesome, Papa.
I kind of think like the gift, the letters are better than the gift. Mom, my turn.
Okay. You have more?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, one more. No, be quiet.
Happy for you, man.
Homie, stop it. Homie's trying to open a present.
No,
Wait,
I
is this mine?
Are you going to have a party for home?
No.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Another 20.
What?
Mom, is this
From
mine?
Nairi? Wow.
Mom, this might be rich.
Your father,
I
dude.
think
Don't
so,
get like
yeah.
$100
Chris,
right there.
if you're rich, that means you have to
You
give
got
a
$105.
lot of your money away, right, Mom?
Yeah. Okay, let's wait. Let Lily have a turn. 1 second. Chris, wait. Whoa! What was that? It just fell out.
Something fell out, Lily.
Down there.
Money.
What? $40. Where's that from? That's nice. That is from.
My money.
It doesn't say the name.
No, it's from Kaylin. She gave it to me.
All right. From Kaylin.
Gift card.
40, 60,
And a gift card?
80, 100, 105, and $25 gift card.
All right.
Wait, I didn't get
Where's
to
the money?
see what's
Okay.
in there.
Okay, that's what was in
You
it.
get a hold of it, babe.
Yeah, I know.
Happy birthday. Is that all?
Lily.
Lily. Wait, is this mine?
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
I need more money. Birthday.
Wow,
I
birthday.
saw one more.
Okay, open your last present, Mama. Let's see, Lily. Open the present.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't say thank you. It's funny. She's always just said thanks.
Hey, move out the way, folks.
Let's see. All right, bling rings. Oh, you get to make your own rings? Wow, Mama, lots of crafts, huh?
Have fun. Choose
gift card to Target? Right on.
There's gotta be one more.
Want to say thank you to everybody?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Especially thank you to our.
What?
They got
They gave you a big car. They said it was green.
Green. What's green? Maybe the wrapper was green.
No, they said it was a gift was green.
Oh, they did?
Did you
Nice.
know? It must have spent like $100.
And now you can go to Target and get batteries for it.
You